In this video, I show you how to make a hand-powered millstone or quern from concrete. This flower pot is going to be the mold for our quern, and I've cut out a piece of cardboard that exactly fits the top of the flower pot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this piece of cardboard in half twice so that I can get two crossed lines through the center. Once I've found the center, I'm going to cut out a hole that is the exact same size as this small piece of PVC. Once that PVC pipe is in, it will fit into that notch there, and this will form the interior core of the quern. Then I'll fill in this bottom area with some foam to give it the shape that I want, some contours, and then that'll be it. I've now folded it twice and highlighted those crease marks with pen, so this is our center. I'm now going to punch a hole for that piece of PVC. My original plan was to use spray foam and then carve it to shape to form the hopper in the quern. However, that plan didn't work out super well because as the foam expanded, it kept moving the pipe. So I eventually ended up carving it a little bit and then using clay to form the rest of the barrier. This clay was formed into the edges of the quern and smoothed out the edges of the flower pot, and then I used that as the mold for the concrete. The concrete was poured in two distinct phases to create the two halves of the quern. For the next thing, Crisco. Just a little bit. This is concrete. Concrete has set and it's ready to be removed. It's the sword in the quern! Yeah! Got it. Alrighty, now you can see the boundary layer between the clay and the cement. You can also see here a boundary layer between the cement and the cement. This one is bonded more than I expected, but with some tapping it should come loose because there's a bunch of Crisco in here. And then this I'm just going to start removing. Keep you posted. Yeah, that's a little more like it. Alrighty, as I'm removing the clay, you can see here that this actually worked, which is surprising me. And the hopper seems to have turned out pretty well as well. One little bubble right there, but that's not too bad. I'm going to hose this off to get rid of the last of the clay and then see how well it turned out. I'll show the use of the quern in a future video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.